Hey, it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this very clean 2014 Chrysler 300C Luxury Series in a Phantom Black Pearl exterior color. Let's take a closer look right now. That's right, giving power to this Chrysler 300C is the legendary and powerful Hemi 5.7L V8 engine. It puts out a great balance of both performance and fuel efficiency. Sounds amazing when you put your foot down, but when you're just coasting, it's actually a pretty quiet motor. There is a fold down back seat middle armrest with two big cup holders. Also a middle storage compartment. Even with the front seats back a little further than usual, there is still plenty of foot space for passengers. This has leather seating throughout. Panoramic sunroof, also known as a dual sunroof vehicle, but panoramic sunroof I think is easier to say. This is a beautiful thing to have all year round. Plenty of headroom throughout the interior. Back seat directional air vents. Passengers can easily adjust those. Heated back seats. Two settings for both. When both lights are on, that's full heat. If there's only one light on, that's medium heat. If there's no lights on, then they're off. 12-volt DC power outlet, so passengers can charge up devices. This has a rear sunshade. Check it out. Reading lamps in the back seat area. Also interior lighting. This Chrysler 300C has the proximity key fob, and on it you'll find an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. This does have remote start. You gotta press it twice if you want to use it. The 300 will lock itself up and be secure before it starts. Fantastic feature to have in the wintertime. Check it out. There we go. Now the 300 can warm up and be ready to go when you are. Easily pop open the trunk using the proximity key fob. Just gotta press this twice. There you go. Beats by Dr. Dre premium audio sound system. There is a subwoofer in the trunk connected to the Beats by Dr. Dre premium audio sound system. The trunk of the Chrysler 300 is absolutely massive. Can fit so much stuff back here. Convenient lights on both sides. Easily fold down the back seats so you can haul longer or more items. As you can see with the back seats down, it adds quite a bit more space so you can haul more things or longer things, as I mentioned. This car has blind spot detection and LED convenience lights built into the mirrors. LED taillights, dual exhaust tips out the back, power adjustable driver's seat, power adjustable front passenger seat, this has a large glove box with nice materials in it. There's also a light inside of it, and you can lock it up for security. Automatic headlamps and fog lights. This also has rear fog lights. Check it out. Power telescoping steering wheel. Only 65,488 kilometers on this Chrysler 300. Using buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. You'll see that this has adaptive cruise control, which you can turn on and off and easily adjust the distance. And there's also regular cruise control, and of course you can turn that on and off as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in the hands. Unique styling touch right round on the steering wheel. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through the driver information center screen, which is right there in the middle of the instrument cluster, and Bluetooth controls on the left, voice recognition button, and a Bluetooth button. Push button start. Front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. Also a backup camera with guidelines. Heated and cooled front cup holders. Very, very nice. This is the touchscreen Uconnect system, and it has SiriusXM support. This has heated and ventilated front seats. And there's two settings for both: a heated steering wheel. You can access the rear sunshade up front here, so you can open and close that. This does have a sport mode. Dual climate control. Easily adjust what you want the temperature to be. You can sync them or you can unsync them. There you go. Easily adjust your fan speed. This does have the auto feature, rear window defroster, heated mirrors, GPS navigation, put in an address. I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. And you can do so much with GPS navigation here. Bluetooth and voice recognition. You pair multiple devices, make hands-free phone calls, as well as play music off of Bluetooth devices. Easily adjust many different settings. There is a CD player down here for you. You can turn off the traction control right there. There are also USB and auxiliary ports in the middle storage area. You now know what it is. It's the 2014 Chrysler 300C Luxury Series in a phantom black pearl exterior color, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. This is a comfortable, spacious, and overall fantastic car to be driving on the highways and to use as your everyday driver. Definitely come on down to Crosstown and take a look at it in person. And you can even take it for a test drive. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah!